these are the first to market. Remember the really cool Kmart events that we used to have, and they would have the first to market cars? Well, these are first to market cars, and there are 16 of them. Going to be 16 of them in each black box that comes out, and it is going to be an Amazon only special. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we got something really special. Mattel sent us this, and this is a new program that they're starting for 2023. It's called the Black Box. Hot Wheels Black Box, which is, that's it, Black Box. And what's inside is, this is the A case for 2023. And you know how when we get the full cases, you know, the 72 cases, the 72 car cases, there's always repeats in there, or there, you know, there's this and that or the other thing. But these are the first to market. Remember the really cool Kmart events that we used to have, and they would have the first to market cars? Well, these are first to market cars, and there are 16 of them. Going to be 16 of them in each black box that comes out, and it is going to be an Amazon only special. All right, just only Amazon is going to have it. And if you have an Amazon account, just go to Amazon, order up the black box, and you get 16 of the latest cars that come in each case. Now, I've been told that there are treasure hunts and super treasure hunts in here also. Not all the time, you know, like the regular cases. If you're lucky enough to get a treasure hunt or super treasure hunt in here, yeah, cool. But it's not a guarantee, okay? So this is the A case, and let's go through them and see what they are. Oh, by the way, they're coming out December 1st. Once December 1st hits, you can go to Amazon and order up this this whole black box and have it shipped to you. All right, cool. Let's see, we got the 70s van, and that's done up in white enamel. Got all kinds of letters all over it. And let's see, it's got chrome base. Interior is, I don't even see an interior on this. And it's got a very dark tinted window. The wheels are dark gray MC5s. All right. This is the classic TV series Batmobile, and that is tuned. Man, it's all squished up. And I guess the Super Treasure Hunt would be this if it had rubber tires on it, but this is not Super Treasure Hunt. So this is a dark maroon. It's got some orange stripes all over it. The windows are orange. Now, don't forget, with this orange plastic, sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's frosted. And these here, they're kind of frosted. So keep your eyes open for clear and frosted windows. Let's see, the bat chute and the, I forgot what Batman used to call the things way on the back there. Bat missiles, where the bat missiles come out. That is in gray plastic. The base is black plastic, and the wheels are blacked out OH5s with an orange chrome ring on them. This is nice. New for 2023. This is the Nissan Patrol Custom, and that's done kind of a cream color. Got a black tint chrome interior. You can see some black tint chrome engine coming up through there, through the hood. Actually, it looks like it might be blue tint chrome. I don't know. You guys are going to have to tell me what you got. But sometimes it looks blue tint, sometimes it looks black tint. So, but the front grille is black tint chrome. Base is black plastic. Wheels are beadlocks, dark gray beadlocks all the way around. And got some cool tampos, red and orange and black on the side. And that is the Nissan Patrol Custom. Track Manga, and that's done in green. Has a blue plastic base and yellow spoilers, yellow plastic interior, and looks like a blue tinted window. All kinds of colors on it. Got light brown and white and black, and that's about it as far as I can see. The wheels are yellow MC5s, small ones all the way around, and the tires are blue plastic. Another new one for 2023, and that is the Ford Escort RS 2000, and that looks pretty cool. It is done in white enamel. Got 3 tones of blue for the side tampos. White plastic base on it. Taillights are done up really nice. The whole black panel is done up really nice. Got license plate on there. Front grille is black plastic. Got some black plastic vents coming through the hood. Interior is black plastic, and the windows are tinted pretty good on this. Rear are dark gray 5-spokes, and the front ones are dark gray aero discs. And that is pretty cool. I bet you a lot of people are going to be chasing after this one. We have the Draggin wagon, and that's pretty cool. That is full-blown little red wagon there. It's got a nice wing on the back. It's done in red plastic. Got a black handle, and that's done in gloss black. The wheels are white painted 5-spoke. Got big ones in the back, little ones in the front. Got a metal base on a blue tint metal base with looks like 2 engines in the back. They're 2 go-kart engines, maybe some Mac 101As or something. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. The front wheels are skinnies also. Got to mention that. Tampo on the side is a white Hot Wheel logo, and there is a black panel on the wing with a white number 1 in it. And that looks pretty neat. I like that. Another cool one, 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth, and that is done in red enamel. Got a white tampo up on the roof. Got 87 in black on the hood, and let's see what else is black there. It's got black and white tampos on the hood. Black and white tampos on the side. The wheels are all small gold chrome BBS. Those are really, I haven't seen them in a while. Those are really nice. Interior, black plastic, and the window is very, very dark tint. And the base is black plastic also. It's got headlights. The headlights are part of probably either the interior or the black plastic base, but they are black plastic. Cool. A Night Rider. This is the Hot Wheel Kit concept, and that is done in black plastic. Well, it's kind of like black plastic. It's got, looks like there's metal, black painted metal, and it's got some black plastic with it, like the center section. There's no windows. The windows are black plastic. Front grille is brown, and the back, I don't know, is that transparent? Looks like it might be orange transparent, but really, really dark, and like a really dirty orange, a burnt orange. And let's see, it's got a logo on the front of on the right hand side of the front end, and it has a gray plastic base to it, and it has a center side, gray plastic center section to it too. The wheels are blacked out aero discs with chrome ring on. Got big ones in the back and little ones in the front. That's pretty cool. Gonna have to check out, see if that color on the front end and the front lights and the rear lights, whatever they are the same as everybody else's. It looks kind of weird. We have the Subaru WRX STI, and that is done in a nice candy blue. It has white painted 10 spokes all the way around. Interior is black. The windows got a little tint to it, and got the headlights done up, and there's a logo right on the nose. The Got a tampo on the side, white tampo on the side. It's got silver behind the front wheel, a little bit above the white stripe, and it has a black plastic base. The LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia, and that is really, really cool. That's done in black enamel. Has a charcoal gray base, really dark charcoal base. Interior is gold, and the window looks to be clear. Got gold tampos all over this thing. It's got them on the hood, got them on up on the windshield, and on the top of the rear wing. Along the side, and the wheels are blacked out with a gold chrome ring around them, and they're both the same size, front and back. And let's see, anything else? The front grille looks like it's part of the interior. You can see that through the hole right there by the bottom front wing. We have the 1970 Pontiac Firebird, done in a nice pearl blue metallic. Got a chrome interior, dark tinted window on it, chrome engine, has a dark charcoal gray base. The front grille is got two black inserts in there, and that's, well, probably dark charcoal gray inserts to go with the base. The wheels are chrome 5-spokes, got big ones in the back and little ones in the front. Has white and blue stripe on the roof, and it's got a white circle with a blue 70 in it. And the side also white circle with blue 70. It's got Hot Wheel logo, Goodyear, and a white and blue stripe down the side. The Sweet Driver, and you know, for some reason that looks like the front grille off of the Gotta Go. And the front grille off the Gotta Go is a urinal. So I don't know who designed this one, but we're going to have to check in that one. It has a metal teal painted base. Has light blue plastic center section and a little bit of, well, I guess that would be a cherry on top, light blue. Got a pink frosting on it with lots and lots of sprinkles. And the cupcake has still got the cupcake holder on it. Oh, I don't know. Would that be the cupcake paper, or would that just be a chocolate cupcake? But that's pretty neat. And the front grille, again, is light blue plastic. The wheels are white painted aero discs. Got big ones in the back, little ones in the front, and the wheels, or the tires, are green plastic. And that is it. That is the Sweet Driver. This is the Desert Drifter, or would that be a Dessert Drifter? And that looks like a big Jello mold. And that is green transparent. Got some white frosting on the top. Got some different colored green tampos on the top with a Hot Wheel logo. And a little bit on the wing there. The front end is, looks like silver plastic. The base is chrome. The wheels are very large chrome 5-spokes in the back, and normal chrome 5-spokes in the front. And I don't know, interior might be gray plastic in there, if you can look through and see it in there. But that's about it. That is the Dessert Drifter or the Desert Drifter. I don't know. I was never good at being able to spell dessert and desert, so. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster, and that is done in black enamel, gloss black, and that is beautiful. Has gold stripe on the front and the back, around the hood and the trunk, with a number 39 on it. Headlights are painted, the headlight covers are painted in gold also. Got Goodyear on the front there, and a 39 again on the front and the back. 39 on the door, and it's got some decals on the side of the fender. It looks like maybe Bell and Goodyear and Hot Wheels. And looks like 3 white portholes on the top of the fender there with a gold stripe down the side. It has yellow painted 5-spokes, and they're all large wheels all the way around. And a gray plastic base on it. and that is it. Well, you can also look through the front end, and the grill is gray plastic to go with the base. Let's see, 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster, and that is done in a nice pearl white metallic, black interior. Windshield's tinted pretty good on this. Headlights are painted up. Got stripe on the nose, stripe on the back, black stripe with gold on each side. Base is black plastic. Wheels are gold chrome 10 spokes all the way around. Tail lights are done up really nice, and that is about it for this one. The 17 Pagani Huayra Roadster. Last one up. This is the Eruption, and that is done in a pink pearl. The base is pink pearl. The body itself is done in purple metallic. Got some white and pink tampos up on the top. Black plastic. Wing, the windshield or canopy, whatever, is painted silver. Or is it? Nope, it's got, it's silver plastic. And it's got a silver plastic center section that has the rocket engine in the back there. The wheels are look like orange chrome trap 5s. Got big ones in the back and little ones in the front. And that is it for the first release of the A case of 2023 in the black box. We didn't get a Hot Wheels treasure hunt or a super treasure hunt, but we did get we got the set, and there's no extras. You know, that's the thing. A lot of people complain about getting extras when they get a case. So if you get this, then you don't get the extras. So you're all set, right? Cool. Want to thank you guys for stopping by and we having the chance to show this to you. Really appreciate it always when you stop by. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. Click that bell so you know when we have new episodes coming out. And, of course, please be kind to one another. So check this out, December 1st, Amazon only, Amazon exclusive, and you're able to purchase it right there. It comes right to your door, and you're cool, right? All right, great. And so until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves. Hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.